Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to discuss what are the iQOO deals available for about Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale. Yes friends, very soon we're going to see the Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale, and finally the iQOO deals has been revealed just today, and it is everything you got to know about all the iQOO phones what available in the Amazon website. So first thing you should know that there are 4 different models from the iQOO which has been sale in this Great Indian Festival Sale. So starting with the first phone is iQOO Z3, iQOO Z5, iQOO 7, iQOO 7 Legend. These are the 4 models which have the discount, so which are including the bank offers and without including bank offers. That's what I'm going to exactly mention in this video. And for this Great Indian Festival Sale, we do know the HDFC is the bank partner, so not everyone will be having the HDFC card. But if you don't have HDFC card, what is the price? If you have the HDFC card, what is the price? That's what I'm going to exactly elaborate in this entire video for each and every model for the iQOO phone. So first thing, let's start with the basic phone, which is the iQOO Z5, which is the starting price is of 17,990. So this is for the 6GB RAM variant only, not for 8GB, 6GB RAM variant. That's what you should definitely understand. Whenever we say the price starting will be the low-end model only, which is 6GB RAM variant. So which is the price about 17,990. So not bad, it's got decreased from 1,900, it became to 17,990. And you can actually get the 2,500 rupees extra discount on the HDFC bank cards. So let's do the minus thing. So if you don't have the HDFC card, this will be the price. If you have the HDFC card, the price will come down to 15,490. That's a very good deal for the Snapdragon 768G, and with the 5G which is available, and that's also another advantage in this iQOO Z3 right now the phone has got. So this is the first model which the price is of 15,490. And second model, let's talk about the latest model, which is iQOO Z5. What is the price of the iQOO Z5 during the sale? The starting price of the iQOO Z5 will be about 23,990, which is a basic price without including any kind of thing. So let's do the math. So 23,990, this is a starting price. And next, the price which includes, so you do get the 1,500 rupees Amazon coupon as well. So let's do the 1,500 rupees minus. So Amazon coupon will be available for everyone. If you don't have the HDFC bank anything, so this is the price you need to pay for the iQOO Z5 model. If you have the HDFC bank, then additional 1,500 it will be discounted. Let me do the math here, and the final price will come down to 20,990 rupees for the iQOO Z5. 20,990 for the latest launched mobile phone, which has the Snapdragon 778G processor. And now let's move to the next phone, which is iQOO 7, which is a true monster. The starting price for the iQOO 7 is about 29,990 is the starting price. So if you don't have any bank cards, this is the starting price. You can actually buy this 8GB RAM variant. And right now, which has got Snapdragon 870, you do have a 3,000 rupees additional discount on this if you have the HDFC bank. So let's do the math here. 29,990 minus 3,000, so which makes 26,990. So 27,000 you are getting the iQOO 7. That's very good deal right now which is available. That's fantastic for this powerful true monster phone. If you want to have that kind of performance level, this is a very good time to buy it. Not bad. So now let's move to the final model, which is the flagship phone from the iQOO, which is the iQOO 7 Legend. And the starting with the price of close to 39,990, the overall price did not decrease. If you observe, the starting price did not decrease, but for iQOO 7 it decreased, and iQOO Z3 also decreased starting price, okay? But for this iQOO 7 Legend, starting price is not decreased. So that's the reason there is another discount is available from the coupons. So you do get the extra 2,000 coupon will be there, 2,000 Amazon coupon. So 2,000 Amazon coupon will be available for everyone, even if you don't have the HDFC bank, doesn't matter. And final price will come down to 37,999, so 38,000. And next you do have the additional 2,500 additional discount on top of this. So which makes close to 35,499 is the final price for the iQOO 7 Legend. So these are the price details for each and every smartphone which I got right now. And finally, these are the complete details which you can actually buy it. So this is the list. If you don't have the HDFC bank card, this is the final price. If you have the HDFC bank cards, I mean credit card or debit card, this will be the final price for each and every product. Now you can take a look actually what is happening in terms of the final price details regarding all of these phones. Let me know in the comment section below, friends, what phones are you planning to buy, and please try to use my links in description to buy this product and do support me. That will be really helpful as well. So make sure to use my links not only to buy the phones, any product from the Amazon. You can find the links in description as well, so where you can find the Amazon link and use that. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and this is a complete review about the iQOO phones deals available in the Amazon website. Similarly, I'll try to do other videos as well, so make sure to stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.